Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so I have a very well packaged remedy for you, and this is actually very important, and it is also very effective. Yeah, now I'm actually going to be telling you some of those things that actually that are actually not good for your body is taking excessive sugar, taking soda, and cigarettes. So you have to stay away from taking all of those things. Well, you might not stay away completely, but at least just reduce it. And when you take this that I'm actually gonna be showing you, this is gonna be fire. This is gonna be so effective. Yeah, okay, let me show you this ingredient without wasting any more time, but do not forget to thumbs up and share and subscribe. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so the first step is this. We're going to be taking our onion, going to be breaking it into pieces. Then we're going to be putting in a blender, putting just a little quantity of water. And then we're going to be needing some garlic. Okay, going to be needing some garlic cloves. I'm actually going to be opening this up. Okay, so after doing that, then I'm gonna keep some aside while I cut some into this onion juice. So I'm gonna be keeping this one aside so I could show you the second step in which you're going to be able to prepare this. So you blend. And then we are going to be sieving that out. Okay, so this is an amazing way to get your onion and garlic juice, for activation. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so the second way in which you're going to do that is that you're going to take just a little quantity of the onion, and then you're going to cut it in little tiny pieces, and then you're going to shred it or cut it in pieces, in smaller pieces. And I'll equally grab my garlic and then I will cut that also. So I'm going to mix this together, the garlic plus the onion. Make sure it is very, very tiny. And then we'll grab a bowl, turn those two great ingredients together, and we're gonna be needing honey, guys. Okay, so we're gonna be putting about 1 tablespoon of honey. Now your honey has to be an organic honey so that this mix is going to work really, really well. Okay, so now you put it inside here. Okay, so after mixing this together, this is what you get. Okay guys, so it is either you drink this particular one or you make this particular one, and this is it. Okay, and for me, I would prefer to make it this way because it just goes in directly while you're going to chew this. For this particular one, you're going to be feeling the pepperish, sensation of the garlic, but for this particular one, you're not going to be feeling nothing. It's just going to be like a normal juice. Okay, so let me show you the third way of achieving this. Yeah, this is actually the first step, but it is just a different method. Let me show you the second step. Yeah, this is what we're going to be needing. We're going to be needing some bitter cola. Okay, now this bitter cola is actually very, very helpful. Okay, the reason why you are weak is because you have excessive sugar. That is one of the reasons. Now the bitter cola is going to eradicate the excessiveness of that sugar. Okay, basically, so at a go you should take 1 or 2 of this bitter cola, but of course I'm going to be using 1 to make this video and show you, but you can take up to 2 of the bitter cola. Okay, now if you're not used to taking bitter things, you have yourself to blame, because you have to take bitter things for you to get this thing natural. You don't need to go and get all of those medicines that will be harmful to you. You need the natural one, which is what I'm actually showing to you right now. I'm actually chewing the bitter cola myself, and it's actually bitter, but I'm loving the bitter taste. Yeah, so you put enough water to blend it. That's why I said you can use 2 to 3 of the bitter cola. Okay guys, so this is it. This is your bitter cola juice. You would have to blend it really well. It's just like milk, but it's not milk, it is actually bitter. So what you're gonna be putting in there is lemon. Now this is lemon. Sorry, lime, not lemon. I'm so sorry about that. This is lime, not lemon. But if you don't have lime, you can actually replace it to lemon. Okay, you can actually use lemon, but don't use orange. Orange is not going to be effective. If you don't have lime, you use lemon. So you squeeze in a few drops of this juice into this bitter cola juice. Okay, so after squeezing that in, that is actually going to make this drink taste really slappy. And man, you don't need sweet things too. You don't need things that are sweet if you must cure this, yeah. If you must cure those falling, that you have, you don't need something sweet. You need something bitter like this, and you are gonna be standing up really well. So this is it. You take this as often as you can. You take this, and for this particular one, you can choose which one you want to make, which one is gonna be easy for you to just make and take. Okay, so take this when you want to, with your person, and then for this one you can take it every morning for number of days. But for this particular one, you can actually continue taking it, and it's gonna be really great, like helpful. Okay, so let me show you them one after the other. This is the bitter cola and lemon, very helpful. Okay, when you want to, okay, with your person. This is onion, garlic and honey, perfect, but it's gonna be, it's going to be pepperish in the mouth. This is onion garlic juice. This is super, but if you want to make this, you can still make it and take it. It is really nice. So choose which one you want and go with this. Come back to my comment section and testify, because I know it's going to be very helpful for you. Okay, so any of the steps that you want to take, you want to take the juice, or if you want to take the other one, yeah, it is very okay. And the last juice is just to help you for strength, yeah. And this is very healthy, it is natural, it is also effective, and give this a go. You're not going to regret it, yeah. Okay guys, so I will see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe and share, and I'll see you. Bye guys. Mwah.